Yeah, I'm just trying to debug my stuff, right? Another day, another chat, another dance. Real discussion to all about something I've been going over. So chapter 19, I'll read the chapter 18. So yeah, chapter 19, you know, I'm pretty much gonna be creating and reading modules. So you're gonna be updating, right? You're gonna be building the new user form. So just updating users. Yeah, so yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. Our new users form. So that's what's gonna be utilized. So users can create. So yeah, that's what's gonna be done. So creation form in new.js. Then yeah, new.js, and then yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. So yeah, then users controllers. So this is what's gonna be added in users to controllers. .js. So model.exports index view, show view. Then yeah, that's pretty much what you've got. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much what you've got. Then yeah, have and then Mongoid. Run the data to computer, and then we're gonna run our MongoDB. So you got our controllers. So for our user control.js, everything else the same as last time. I said we got redirect view, and then you got our pretty much got our application, right? So you pretty much got to have everything, and then you got a database connection, right? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, so everything's pretty much the same, except we create users, creating users. So and not only creating them, but we're able to like see our users. Right? So that's what we're able to see. So this, all of that, we're able to see this. So as you can see here, we're able to create our users, then view our users. So let's do this. Cooking courses, we're gonna add that later on. So as you can see, as As you can see here, you can see our users, and you can see users, and you can see like the direct data for our users. Account subscriber, and then our Mongoose connect. So here's our server. Right, our server is there. That's set. That's set. View engine, comment EJS. So yeah, it's pretty much so then you got our middleware, and then you got our server. So our middleware routes, renders, EJS, express app configure example query, database connection, model imports, use strict. So our use strict is pretty much to decipher, our syntax, make sure that unnecessary syntax is included, and then in order for us to view, our users, right, we got new.ejs, right? So you got that, right? Then you got your views, new subscribers, or for subscribers, and then you got your courses.js, courses create. So let me go to the courses create. Okay, one down there, but you sort it out later on, and then yeah, you got our views, partials. So what's different in our views is we've got a new for our subscribers, users, and yeah, users, right? Then for our courses, yeah, that's pretty much new. And then you've also for our users control.js, users.create, then show view, subscribers controller, new subscriber, new, and show, so on and so forth. Right, then error controller. So that's pretty much what we have. You know what I mean? That's pretty much what we have, you know. And yes, that's it, you know what I mean? That's pretty much what we have. And then you go over to like home. So same old, home, cooking courses, contact, then users. So that's pretty much what we have. Then John Wexler. So as you can see here, our users controller made additions to these. So these were added. Like these were added here. So show view, show redirect view, user.create, right? Then create. And then yeah, that's pretty much what we have. So all the stuff that I added via, my Mongoose or Mango shell, they get added here. So view all the users, Avellini, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That separates what we had before from what we have now. Section 18 from what we have now. So thank you very much. Take care and God bless. Thanks.